Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage affiliate links with Thirsty Affiliates, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin with, navigate to the Thirsty Affiliates website to download the plugin. Install the Thirsty Affiliates plugin on your WordPress site. Activate the plugin once the installation is complete. After activation, locate the Thirsty Affiliates option in the WordPress dashboard. Select Add New Link to start managing your affiliate links. In the link name field, enter a clear and concise name for your link. Next, add your affiliate URL in the designated URL field. Choose a category for your link to keep things organized. If desired, upload a custom image for your link. Set up a redirect type. 301 redirect is typically recommended for affiliate links. Optionally, you can customize the slug for your link for easier sharing. Once all fields are filled in, click the Save Link button to finalize your new affiliate link. To display your affiliate links, use the Thirsty Affiliates block or shortcode in your posts or pages. To manage existing links, return to the Thirsty Affiliates dashboard. Here, you can edit, delete, or update any of your affiliate links as needed. Use the Statistics feature to monitor the performance of each link. Track clicks and conversions to understand which links resonate with your audience. If you want to add a link to a new page, simply repeat that Add New Link process. Consider exploring the settings to customize how links are displayed across your site. Integrate Thirsty Affiliates with your email marketing tool for more strategic promotion. Remember to keep your links up to date to maintain credibility and optimize conversions. Utilize the 404 log to identify any broken links and address them promptly. After implementing these steps, you've set up a comprehensive affiliate link management system. With practice, managing your affiliate links with Thirsty Affiliates will become second nature. This will ultimately enhance your site's performance and your affiliate marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.